Hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and today I want to talk to you about using those beautiful fresh herbs from your garden and combining them with children. Hold on, I'll show you what we're talking about. Let's see if we put all these together. Kids, herbs, fun. Hold on. And today we're going to do something from my garden. I keep talking to you about letting kids help out while you work. And today they're going to help me make a cheese ball. But we're going to use some fresh rosemary, which I've already shown you. Oregano, rosemary. Oh, where's the parsley? Here, let me show them the parsley.
Where's the parsley?
Here's the parsley. So we're going to, this all came from my garden today in my little herb box. So you want to help out? So we've got 1 block of cream cheese. And Mimi just bought some new utensils. Emma, will you put that into our food processor? Go ahead, put it in there. I think you need a step, so we gotta make you taller.
Yeah, she's not that tall.
All right, Anna. Okay, Lizzie, I want you to get some scissors from back there, and we're gonna clip some of our herbs. Which one do you think this is smell? What does that smell like?
Let me smell.
Okay, what's that smell like? Does it smell like a pizza? Or spaghetti?
No.
Okay, Lizzie, will you trim these pieces really tiny? Really tiny. Okay, you hold it with the other hand and just make tiny little pieces. There you go. And Ethan, will you pull some of these
Thank
little
you, Mimi,
pieces?
for this.
You're welcome. Will you pull some of these off there? Pull off the little green leaves, and we're gonna put those. First, pull them off and put them in the bowl, okay? And then Sissy will cut them, or Emma will cut them. So next what we're gonna do is we have to chop the nuts that will go around the outside of the cheese ball. Emma, do you wanna help with that? Sure. Okay. All right, come on over here.
I'm standing.
Okay, good. All right, so we've gotta chop these nuts, and this is a good project to let a child that's, got some strength do it. All right, so what we're gonna do is hit the top. Hit as hard as you can. Keep chopping. Now hold your hand on this spot right here. Hold your hand right there. There you go. Good job. Keep chopping. All right, you want to let Sissy finish that? Okay. Don't cut the stick.
Just punch
the
it.
leaves.
Punch it back.
Good. Here, get this leaf here.
This really smells good.
I know, doesn't it smell so good? And that's going to go in our cheese ball. Okay. Next, just trimming the little.
Not allowed to like
You're not allowed to use big scissors yet? Well, we'll give you something else to do. All right.
Can I chop?
Yeah. Sissy, can Ethan chop? It's around a little bit. Take somebody with strong muscles. Let him get the energy out. Good job. Okay, let's see. Oh, that looks good. So next we have to season this cheese ball. So Ethan, will you turn this? We'll get some salt in there. Oh, good. Okay. Elizabeth, Emma, will you go ahead and put the pepper in? And you turn it on the top. Turn and see, come in.
It's gonna taste good.
I know, and we're gonna get to taste it. Keep going.
I don't want to taste
What
it.
do you mean you don't want to taste it? You see who's speaking over the side here? We got the peanut gallery going over here. Okay, you ready? All right, Lizzie, you can put in the garlic powder. About fast, I'm gonna shake with you.
And some salt. It smells good. What is that?
That's garlic powder, smell it. Okay, stop. So now, we gotta get in there and stir this up a little bit.
Can I do it?
Let Emma do this part. Kind kind of got to get out the edge. Can you come in closer? So I put the nuts in a bowl because once you make the cheese ball, you've got to roll it around in the nuts. Let a grown-up go ahead and take the blade out. And we're gonna scoop all the cream cheese out of here. This is another part for the grown-up.
All of it.
I'm gonna put that in my hand.
I think that's all.
All right, now I'm gonna kind of make a ball. All right, and I'm gonna set it in my chopped nuts. So I'll start to roll it, and Emma, I'm gonna let you finish now. In the chopped nuts. Good, yeah, keep pulling it. All right, good. Oh, look at it. Okay, Ethan, will you roll it now, son? Okay, just roll it. Good, okay, back to Emma.
Great.
That's all right.
Some meals.
Okay, keep doing it. Okay, so here's our cheese ball. I think that took us 5 minutes. And look, you can serve it with crackers, or you can serve it with vegetables. I have a little bit of celery on here, so who's ready to dive in? Let's get some here, I'll get you some. Yum, you wanna try that? Or you wanna do it yourself? Well, this has been Gretchen the Green Lady having fun just making a simple cheese ball with my grandkids. So we finished our cheese ball and it really only took us about 5 minutes, and we used fresh herbs from the garden. Who are you giggling at? And we used fresh herbs from the garden. So let's try it. Come on, y'all. Emma, do you want just a cracker? Yum.
Yeah, we'll just.
Okay. Okay, so everybody say, go green.
Go green.
Bye. Hey everybody, today I want to talk to you about doing. All right, you ready for some noise?
Yes.
All right, who's gonna push the button? Emma, you push. Oh, let's see, must be, there's safety features on it. Okay, stop. All right, y'all. Can't have ears. And I hope that you, everybody say, go green. Everybody say, go green.